Today we're going to learn how to use a weatherboard, and this is something we're going to do every day in class. So I have a weatherboard here I'm going to show you, and we're going to learn what we're going to do each and every day. We have magnetic pieces on this weatherboard in the lower section that you're going to choose the correct piece to put in the top part of the weatherboard. So let's look outside. Is it cloudy or is it clear? Well, today is cloudy, so I'm going to put my arrow on cloudy. What day of the week is today? Today is Wednesday, February 17th. So I'm going to put my 1 and my 7 for the 17th. And the year is 2021. Rain. Is it dry out? Are we having showers? Or are we having heavy rain today? So we look outside. How does it look to us? Today, right now, it's raining heavily. So I'm going to put the arrow by heavy rain. The temperature today is in the 70s. So do we call that hot, warm, mild, cold, or freezing? Well, I think 70s is warm, so we're going to put our arrow by 70s and warm. Today's weather, we're going to look below. Our choices are sunny, cloudy, rain, snow, wind. Well, we already said it was raining, so we're going to put rain here. Could we add another one of these to it? I think today we can because we're having some wind. So I'm going to put wind as well. So today is raining and it's windy. Since we're in February, our season is still winter. So we're going to put winter here. We said it was windy, so we're going to put our arrow under wind at wind rather than calm or strong. Our moon phase, and I'll tell you this each day because this one you can't tell by looking out your window. Today we have a waxing crescent, which is where the moon is almost completely full, that you can see it. So it's the closest step to a full moon, and it's called a waxing crescent. So I put that one here. And then in our picture, we're just going to put more things of how it is today. So would we put the sun for sunny? Let's look above. We said it was raining and windy, so no, we're not going to put the sun today. But it is cloudy, right? We said it was cloudy, so we're going to put a cloud. We said it was raining, so we're going to put rain. And we said it was windy, so we're going to put wind. And this is basically our weatherboard. And every day I'm going to have a different student come up and put the correct pieces on the weatherboard for us. So I hope you like our weatherboard for the class, and I hope you'll enjoy changing it every day.